Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, I have the Galaxy S21 Ultra and I have the Whitestone Dome glass. I installed on this phone the glass protector on the front, and hello, kitty. And I also installed the camera lens on here too. And I know a lot of people out there on the forums are saying, hey, does this fit with the Supcase, the Unicorn Beetle Supcase Pro? And how does it look? How does it work? And I'm going to be answering your questions on the show. All right, stay tuned. Okay, here's the edge of the glass that goes along the Supcase right here. I can't guarantee it's going to work for your phone, but for me, I've been really happy. It just barely comes up to the Supcase. It does not touch it at all. And you can see that right here, if I can get it to focus right there's the edge of the glass right there, and it goes along the side there. And then it barely comes and touches along the red part there. So I'm really happy with that. So this case is not pressing down on the glass at all and just runs along the side. So like I said, I cannot guarantee it's going to work for your phone, but when I put the Whitestone Dome glass on there, it is fitting beautiful. I really like it. You might have to get in there with a Q-tip to get some dust that might accumulate in there, but I have no problem about that. On the sides, when you put your, this part right of the Unicorn Beetle Pro right here, when you put this down on your screen, glass screen, if you don't take this off at all, I think this will be a great fit. I had this on my Galaxy S20 and it worked perfect. The only time I had an issue is when I was doing some reviews of a lot of cases and I took the case off and I raised one of the corners of the Whitestone Dome glass protector, and then one of the corners kind of came up, but I just lived with it. It did not destroy it. Also, I've had the Whitestone Dome glass protector on my phones for, I would say, at least 4 years. I have dropped them on rocks, on the cement, and they hold up perfect. I had one time where I did get a split on it, but I really dropped it pretty hard, so I just had to replace that, but did no damage to my screen on my phone, so I was super happy about it. If you do a research on this, you're going to find out that this is one of the best protection for your phone. Now let's take a look at the camera lens part. This covers all of the holes except for this one right there. So if you drop your phone on the ground or something like that, it will protect it. This is the case that it came in. This has 2 of them, so it's very easy to install. You just set it in there and boom, it seals itself. The Whitestone Dome glass protector, I had a little bit of an issue. That was my own fault, but I'll have that in another video, so take a look. I'll have 2 videos for you. We are going to do a hammer test on the screen, this part, and the camera part. Not on a real phone. I'm going to be using a dummy phone. And I'm also going to give you a couple little tips and tricks on what not to do when you install a Whitestone Dome glass protector. Every single year I make some mistakes, so I hope my mistakes will help you guys out. Hey, please leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I know a lot of you are wondering how this fit, and I am super happy with it, but I will let you know over time how it holds up. But I feel so confident now that this is super well protected. The Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro is one of my favorite cases. It has a kickstand right here, pulls out like that. And we have
another video when we put it on, right?
You can check out my other videos on this. It comes with another case that just goes over that, but I really don't use that part. Love these cases, just love it. Total protection, I love it. I'm ready to go out there and go out and do some extreme sports with this phone. So it's well protected, don't you think, Lucas?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. And make sure you check out my other channels. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment down below if you're wondering how this is working out. Maybe
Leave a question down below.
Yeah, leave a question. Even a math question, we'll answer it.
And we can even do a show on it.
Sounds like a great idea. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. We will talk to you later. Adios.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.